Hello, I'm Mrs. J, and welcome to my math class. So today we're going to work with right triangle trigonometry, and there's two cases. Also, these only work with right triangles, so you have to have a right angle. The first case is when you're given two sides and you're looking for the third side. So if you have two sides and you're looking for another side, there's no angle involved, then you can use the Pythagorean theorem. It's also known as Pythagoras' theorem. And what it is when you have the triangle across from the right angle, we call it C. That's our hypotenuse. The other two, which form the angle, the right angle, are called the legs. And the formula is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And c squared, the hypotenuse, is always by itself. It's also the largest side. So if the hypotenuse ends up smaller than one of the legs, you did something wrong. Let's look at an example. John puts the base of a 9-foot ladder 3 feet from the wall of his house. So his ladder's 9 feet, and it's 3 feet away from the house. How far up the wall does the ladder reach? Up the wall. So that's what we're looking for. That's our x. Round your answer 2 decimal places. This is across from the right angle, so this is our C. It's our hypotenuse. Three squared is 9 plus x squared equals 81. Subtract the 9. X squared equals 72. And then to get the squared, you take the square root. Now normally when we take the square root of both sides, it's a plus or minus. But since we're talking about measurements, we drop the negative. And we get 8.49. I think it was feet. Try another one. Randy wants to attach an 18-foot string of lights to the top of a 15-foot mast on a sailboat. How far from the base of the mast should he attach the end of the light string? Again, round 2 decimal places. So the mast is 15 feet high, and his string is 18 feet. We want to find out how far, where he's going to hook these strings on this mast. This would be our right angle, which means this is C. So we have 15 squared plus x squared equals 18 squared, because this is our C. 15 squared is 225 plus x squared equals 324. Subtract the 225, and we get 99. And then we take the square root. Again, it would be plus or minus, but we're dropping the negative because you can't have a negative measurement. We take the square root. It said round to the 100th, so 9.95. This was also feet. So that is the right triangle when you have two sides and you're looking for a third.